Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So last week Binance launched their 67th Launchpool project, which is WCT, and people earn money depending on their stake. If you missed that, good news, Binance has just launched their 68th Launchpool project, which is called Initia, and you will get tokens which is called INIT. So it's basically a layer 1 blockchain. As you can see, from April 18th you can lock your BNB, FDUSD or USDC, any of these tokens you have in your Binance account, to from INIT tokens over 6 days. Only 30 million INIT, that's 3% of the 1 billion total supply, are up for the grabs. Trading starts April 24th with a starting circulating supply of 148.75 million INIT. This is your shot to jump in early. For more information, you can visit this Binance official page. So let's go and see how you can participate in this airdrop. So if you already know how to participate, then you can skip this video. So the joining process is very easy. So as you can see, the countdown of this Launchpool on the home page. You can click directly through this, or you can click here more and then click Launchpool, and you can see the event. So as you can see, the WCT Launchpool has ended, and I hope you earned some money from this. So now to participate in the Initia airdrop, just click here, participate. As you can see, you can stake BNB, USDC or FDUSD, any of this. But here I'll recommend to use BNB to get higher tokens. So here I'll select BNB and here enter your amount. For example, here I'll put max and click confirm. So as you can see, I have successfully participated in this event. So if you want, you can lock more tokens later, or you can unlock your tokens whenever you want. So for more updates on crypto and airdrops news, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.